clarity, I think, is always king. If you can provide more clarity, if you can provide more transparency, and you're able to show the benefit to all potential parties involved, it's always a win.
So I'm excited because we had talked about some specific examples that you have of how brand has really driven value. It's going to be super helpful to people listening to this. So I wonder if we can start. One of the stories which you called Bag of Parts. Could you tell us a little bit about that? I love it. What a great headline.
Sure. We were brought in to work with a company that is PE backed, who had a lot of various acquisitions take place. But the CEO came to us, and his problem, which he stated over and over again, was we're a bag of parts. Our company is a bag of parts. What can we do about this? How can we all talk to each other? Does it matter if we talk to each other? Does it matter if our companies know that the other company exists? And what we went through and did was what we call a relevancy report and a roadmap. But we go through and really understand the best position for them in the market. We went through and weighed based off of various stakeholders. So private equity, C-suite, employees, customers, and consumers. What is it that drives the most value for this entity as a whole? So we took this bag of parts and recalculated what their brand architecture could be in order to serve every single stakeholder. So stress testing each of these brand architecture pieces against, will private equity be happy because can they sell this company with ease? Are we driving value for them? And could they be set up to sell it to a financial or a strategic buyer? Great. What do we need to do to make that happen? Does it make sense for internally? How are all of these companies going to talk to each other, and why does it matter? It mattered that we actually set them up in a way that they could all talk to each other, and now they can cross-pollinate. So we're going to teach company A how to be able to talk about company B so that they can then, when they have a problem, we already know the solution because it's another part of your company or a sister company. So we developed an umbrella brand for this company, and then we developed two different divisions, and in two specific divisions that were separate, but they also still made sense to each other. And then we had the brands and then the different companies underneath of those. By doing this, we were able to drive brand equity up so that all of these companies actually benefited from association because they're part of a stronger, bigger mission as a whole.